Hmm.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the students of first year 2020 and 21 session of Paschim Sharda University Degree College, Nisarabad Middle School. I am Shamimur Rahman, lecturer in English, welcoming you in this online class. I do hope and expect that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. You all know that our country is passing through a epidemic situation from March, last March. From last March, this class system, this physically class system has been remained stopped by the order of Ministry of Education and the present government. But I am giving thanks to the Prime Minister as well as the Education Minister because they have decided to take online classes for the students so that they can be benefited by these classes. This class for first year newly admitted, my dear students, I will also have to give thanks to the founder president of this college, retired secretary, honorable secretary, the government of the People Republic of Bangladesh, Alhaj M. Samsul Haq sir, as well as our principal sir, because they have finally nicely arranged this online class system. My dear students, you know the name of our English course is Communicative English. Do you know what is communicative? Communicative English, you will have to have a better idea about communicative English. You will have to know what is communicative. Communicative is an adjective. The noun form of communicative is communication. Communication, noun, and verb form communicate. Communicate. What is communicate? English is a noun. What is communicate? Communicate means the exchange of ideas, thoughts, opinions, notions, etc. from one to another. When these ideas, thoughts, notions, opinions will be in English, that is called communicative English. This communicative English you will have to study 200 marks. In first paper you will have to have 100 marks, means part 1 first paper. In first paper there are two parts. Part 1 is writing test. Part 1 is reading test. Part 1 is reading test. In reading test, you will have to have 60 marks. 60 marks means you will have 3 sync comprehensions, three scene passages. In number one, you will be given a scene passage from your textbook. That is, you will have to read the passage and you will have to answer from A 5 marks multiple choice questions. Each question will carry 1 marks. That means you will have to give 5 question answers, 5 marks. You will get 5 marks. In number B, B of A, B of 1, you will have to write 5 question answers. Each question answer you will be able to carry 2 marks. Means 5 into 2, 5 into 2 equal to 10 marks. In number 2, you will have to you will get a comprehension that will carry 10 marks. Flowchart or information transfer. Flowchart or information transfer. This flowchart is a new item. It will be discussed details on later in next classes. Today I am discussing about your marks distribution on first paper. Number 3, you will be given a scene passage and you will have to write summary of the passage. Means you will get 10 marks from the passage if you write nicely the summary. The writing rules of summary will be discussed later classes. Then number 4, you will have cloze test with clues. Cloze test with clues. There you will get 10 items. 10 items. Each number will carry half marks. So in this number 4, you will get 5 marks. Half into 10 equal to 5. In number 5, you will get a cloze test without clues. In this item, you will get 10 marks without clues. Then you will go number 6. In number 6, you will get rearrange. The sentences are in disorder. You will have to arrange them nicely. 10 sentences you will carry 10 marks. That is, this 6 question you will be able to carry 60 marks. These are the reading test. Then part 2, writing test. Writing test, marks 40 marks. Writing test at first, number 7, you will get a paragraph. You will have to give answer on the basis of some questions, and this paragraph you will be given for 10 marks. In number 8, you will get completing a story. There will be given a clue and you will have to complete the story, and this story you will be able to carry 7 marks. Then number 8, you will have to write and mail this item for only 5 marks. And in the last number, number 11, theme writing. You will be given a theme writing from some poems. These poems generally usually you will get from your textbooks, and this item you will carry 8 marks. This total 100 marks you will have to study uh, from first paper. So from today's discussion we see that there is no alternative of reading the textbook. You will have to collect a textbook. You will have to collect a textbook from NCT. You will have to collect a textbook from NCTB, and you will have to revise the textbook once and again, so that these items will be very easy for you. In this situation, you will always try to remain in your house, your residence as far as possible, and if you go outside your residence, you will always try to wear mask and maintain all the rules of health, social distance. You will remain well by the grace of Almighty Allah. For today's, Allah Hafiz.